Hello and welcome to another video. Yes, it's fun times, good times, and it's a windy night tonight. Don't know if you're able to hear what I'm saying, so I'll have to shout a little bit. But we are at Blackpool Illuminations, so about the wind. We're going to show you as much as we can of the Blackpool Illuminations because, as I say, it's a little bit windy. Don't know if we can, hold on a minute. Hold on. Okay, here's our first illumination. And watch this man pop out of it. Oh, there you go. It's called what's it called? Like the Egyptians. The mummies. That opens up as well, yeah. This opens up. I'm just holding on to the rail because it's scary. We're flying all over the place with this wind. That opens up in a second now. Come on, open up. There it goes again. It just popped up again. It opens up after it. We stood all night, all that went for this to open. Come on. Open sesame. And all over it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please do like and share this one. We're Blackpool Illuminations on Fun Times and Good Times in October 2023. There's Mummy. Just bring this up a little bit. There you go. Ooh, scary stuff. Bum bum. It's Brasso Plus. Bum bum. That used to talk, you know. They used to tell jokes years ago, but doesn't now.
Boom, boom.
Boom boom. Here's the buses, and there's a bike which goes all the way round and then up and over.
1, 2, 3. Next. Next.
Next one. Yeah, here it goes. Here it goes. Yeah. And the buses.
Got the tower, Blackpool through it.
Yep. Let me just sort this out a second. It's more straighter. Right. And it goes round again. And it's going round and round and round. It's going round and round and round. And it goes over. There you go. Lovely. So have you been to Blackpool Illuminations? Do let me know in the comments. If you haven't been, yeah, we're welcoming to say. Look about the same every year, but it's still well worth seeing. We're lucky to have them in Blackpool, we really are. It's the pirate ship, this, All Ireland. Not fairly jumpy, see. Are you? I'll not talk too much because it won't be too much, isn't it? The teddy bears on their picnic. Teddy bear shop that's been over there, Blackpool on it, and also the teddy bear. It's called a teddy bear's picnic actually, because if you go down in the woods today, you'll be sure of a big surprise. You have the teddy bear's picnic. Yeah. And you're on the seesaw there as well. You can go around the back. Do you have a seat? Can you? Oh, yeah. Oh, come Saturday. And then we've got the sunshines, or the sunshine faces. It's fine. Just put the camera up there so you can see the picture. It's called there's the autumn one. Not too much because it is so windy out here today. Tonight. It's a very windy night. This? Waste storage. We recycle stuff. Anybody recycle? You should do. Everybody should recycle, I think, but I don't. I do try and recycle a little bit, but not too much. Also got illuminations up in the sky as well. Okay. Which are mainly the big tableaus tonight. Well, right, you might be blaming now. Crack your rally, that was pretty bad, that was. But now, at last, you might be blaming. Yeah, that one was terrible. In fact, I may have put music on for this, I'm not sure. That's around the world. There goes the tram. I didn't see that coming out, but it's going to go on the line. There goes the tram. That's a new one, that's called Around the World. Don't say, for now we're on the proper ground. We've got the lights flashing up there as well, look at that. Fantastic. Through with the Daleks coming up. The doctor in the Daleks out of the chapter. He's on the chapter. A new one. We've got a new one. Says Doctor in the Daleks for you. Fantastic, isn't it? It's well worth coming to see Blackpool Illuminations. Like I said, I don't know how much you'll be able to turn off me on this because it is a bit breezy, isn't it, darling? Yeah. It's very breezy, in fact. Less windy than it was when we were down there. But it's still, that's why I'm shouting, because it might be really better. Exterminate, it just said. It just said exterminate. Exterminate. I do all my own impressions, did you notice? Yeah, we do try. We do. The many doctors, of course, and Doctor Who. Who's your favourite? I've never really watched it, so I haven't really got one. You've never watched it. I bet your brother did well. I bet got a brother and still watches it. We've got a spaceman there, or spacemen. Spaceman!
Here's the one. Yeah.
They scoop up where? They change it around a bit. Sooty Sweep and soon coming up now. There's the new owner of Sooty, Richard Cordell. Of course, the first owner of Sooty was Harry Corbett. That's it, yeah. Harry Corbett, followed by Matthew Corbett, followed by Richard Cannon, sorry. There's something on the screen as well. Virtual borders all over the place, as always. I know you are not something. There's Sweep and Sue as well. Oh, Sweep and Sue too. too. Wish I had. What was you want to make them? Then we've got Swansea dancing. Swan Lake dancing there. Do 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 do. I don't know if that's Swan Lake. Do you know what I was thinking then? Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. We won't picture that with it being so windy, won't we? Last night it was raining and it was really misty as well, so I wouldn't have seen much down here. Got a better idea of seeing them this time. If you look at seeing them this time. This is that's a new one as well. Ice cream fan. I don't know what the picture's coming out like. I hope the picture's coming out good. That could be a bit sketchy. I just hope the picture's coming out good for you. I know it sounds not. It's happening, people are probably trying to tell you not right now. The can. Like I said, I'm talking, but they won't have to go for it just to take the wind away. It'll annoy you. Okay, got a peacock. Is that a peacock? That's a peacock. And butterflies and a fish. It's a fishy wishy. Cross over. Let's cross over the trams first. Let's hope nothing's coming. See what else fancy comes off with. What's that? It's to run a bit of a closer view this time. That's good. This is where we take a 2-minute break. I'll sit down here while I talk to you a second, because you'll be able to, oh dear, be able to lay me under here, but now if it's gone sideways, right, there you go. Lifting back up right again. Yeah, you'll be able to lay me now. I hope you're enjoying the video. I know it's a bit windy. I may have, in fact, yeah, so I was saying, I don't know if you can hear me on the wind, so I'll keep nattering anyway, and I'll look on the edit myself. If I think it's too windy, I will have put music over it by now. But you won't know if I put music over it, so we shall see. Hope you're enjoying the video. If you are enjoying the video, please do like, please do subscribe. Thank you very much. And please share to whoever you want to share it to. This is Blackpool Illuminations 2023 October. On a very hit windy night. We will show the rest of them. Well, the rest of the tableaus as we go along. As I say, there could be music over it by now. There's only 2, not 3. Is that all there is now? Wow, these below's more than that. So if there has been music going over it, just enjoy it anyway. Thank you. Fun times and good times. Let's carry on then. Enjoy the rest of these tableaus. on this fair windy night in Blackpool. Hickory dickory dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck underneath, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. We need to cross back over a road. We need to cross back over a road. Go that way. Okay. So we are crossing over 8 traffic again. Let's get life from the road. Hey? Where the way sitting down yet? Oh, the crawlers is coming out, bud. I really do hope the crawlers is coming out, bud. It should be. There's the haunted hotel. It does play music now. We've been copyrighted once this week. We're back getting copyrighted again. Aye. We're copyrighted twice on one video this week. It does play music at the end. Wait. Just doing the edits. What is? Is it bigger? It's play music now. Sorry for it up front, but yeah, you got the end of films. See if it lights up this time, because it didn't light up properly, did it? Pumpkins in the garden, look at that. And a witch. A witch, oh yes. An haunted treasure. To go off again, so eh? The light truck tram coming. No, it's not. I thought there were a light truck tram coming then, but there's no light truck tram coming, it's not. It's really just the lights. I think it is playing music, but it's very hard to hear. It's not lighting up proper anyway. They're cutting back on cost of living. Another haunted tree there. Boom! Everybody just jumped on the channel and me all jumped out of skin then, didn't you? And everybody said, what? The mad dad said too bad. Alice in Wonderland. That's about it, really. Carry on walking anyway. Show you some of these lights at the top, the way down. I know we can hear me. that's Blackpool Illuminations 2023. Don't have to finish the video, I'll just carry on a little bit longer. What do you want me to do? Let's carry on. I don't know if it's going to be in the way, but if you can, you can. If you can't, you can't. Walking through Blackpool on a Tuesday evening now in October 2023. Oh yeah. December 2024, won't it? Time is flying.